Hey guys, so today's video is going to be the start of a new series on my channel, and it's going to be Dollar Tree Tuesdays, and it is inspired by some of the other videos that I've seen on YouTube. Dollar Tree hauls are my personal favorites. I love them. I love getting a good deal. I'm very frugal, and so that's what I'm going to start trying to do, is have a new video uploaded every Tuesday featuring the Dollar Tree. So if you love the Dollar Tree, stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these socks. These are called the Super Soft Snuggadoodle socks, and I got the black, and they are super soft. I'm very excited to wear them. They had them in blue and pink. I love them. The next thing I got were these, you can't see them very well, bamboo fragrance sachet. Yeah, there's two of them. I'm going to put these here in my car. The next thing I got was this natural bath sponge, is what they're calling it. But my mom had one of these when I was a kid, and I always remember thinking, ooh, I really love that. I want to use it. And so I needed a new one anyway. My loofah sponge was on its last leg. And I think they say you're supposed to change those every month. I never do that, and I should. So I got this. Okay. I also picked up one of these LED color changing night lights. My mom had actually bought one of these at Walmart for me, and it was like $5. And the last time we were at the Dollar Tree, she had been looking for one of these there for herself because she liked the one she bought me. And so they had them today, so I picked this up for her. Okay. Next, I got these medium-sized rubber gloves. And I got these because we've been remodeling our basement, and we're on the last leg of the actual remodel. So the next thing will be cleaning up, and I have all ceramic tile as the flooring down there. And anybody who has ever had drywall installed knows that it is a mess. It's dusty. It gets in everything. And so a couple weeks back, that same trip with my mom, I had picked up a scrub brush to clean the floors. And so I wanted to get these gloves to kind of protect my hands, my nails, and just when I'm down there trying to scrub those floors to get all that dust up. And you can't beat a buck. I can use them and then toss them. I mean, I'll keep them if they're not completely destroyed, but I don't foresee being able to reuse them. Alright, next I got these oven-baked chicken jerky strips. Now, there's not a lot in here, but what caught my eye is that real chicken is the #1 ingredient. No artificial flavors, and it's long-lasting. Nothing in my house is long-lasting for Wrigley. She's Alaskan Husky, and she literally shreds everything. This will not last an hour. She'll like it, but it won't last an hour. And that's why I always get these two. Like, she knows, literally. I'm going to try to record her when I get home with these Dollar Tree bags. She knows. So she, like, tries to start sticking her face down in the bags because she knows when I'm carrying those bags in that I've got a toy for her. It's literally, it's the funniest thing ever. She's hilarious. So I always buy her toys there because they don't last. I bought $20 toys and she destroys them. So next I got this beautiful vase. It's got the twine and this little metal leaf. And I actually seen Nicole Burgess haul one of these. I can't remember what color she ended up getting. And I looked for a color that would match some of the flowers that I just got. And I'm going to show you in a second for Halloween. But they didn't really have a vase that matched that. So what I am going to do is put some fall Dollar Tree flowers in it. I have to find the ones I'm looking for. But you will see this in the upcoming Decorate With Me. Next, I got this Kiss Super Bond glue for the fake nails that I've bought at the Dollar Tree. And I also seen Nicole Burgess, I think it was Nicole Burgess, haul this in her latest Dollar Tree Thursday video. So I'm excited to try that. Next, I got this little sitter witch. You know, she sits. And I got this. Every month I try to get like a holiday type decor item or seasonal item to go on my dad's headstone. I like to change it every month and keep it clean and fresh. And so for Halloween this year I got him this little witch. He's been gone a year and a half and I miss him terribly. And so one of the ways I feel like I still take care of him is that I, take care of his headstone and keep it clean and, make it cute and keep flowers on it. And maybe at some point I can show that on my channel. But I can't yet. So, that's all of that bag. Oh, okay, so let me show you the floral that I got. So I got these purple stems, what do they call them? Branches. And I love the color. I love purple for Halloween. I think it's beautiful. The next thing I got, one of the roses come off, but it'll be okay. I can hot glue it. It's just some plain black roses. I thought those would be just cute, fun centerpiece for my dining room table for Halloween. I'm going to fix them in a second. That drives me crazy when they fall off. And then I got these two because there are eyeballs in there. And there's also spiders. Let me find him. Right there's the spider. But I didn't want to have both of them with the eyeballs because I thought that would be too much. But one is cute and I really like the look of it. Alright, next I got my son some AAA batteries. Okay, I'll pick that up in a minute. This is a 10 pack instead of 8, so you get extra 2 batteries for $1. And he uses these in his Lego trains. He runs through those Legos. He runs through those batteries like crazy. So I just buy them at the Dollar Tree. Because he just leaves them on and he runs those trains all the time. And anyway, you know what I'm saying. The next thing I got was these Vicks Vapor Rub cough drops. And it was really, I love Vicks. I'm an avid Vicks person. As soon as you get a cough, I'm like, put Vicks on. And just, for $1, I was like, yeah, I should have it. And I got the cherry flavor. Same medicine aisle. I got me some sleep aid. And a bottle of isopropyl alcohol. I use this stuff all the time. It's great to clean with. And last but not least, okay, so I love beauty videos on YouTube. And so I'm always watching them. And Casey Holmes is one of my favorite beauty gurus. And she uses these elastic waistbands like this from Sephora. And I can't remember what they're called. I mean, I could find them in her video. And you could probably type them in on Google or Sephora and find them. But these are hair ties. And they're supposed to be like they don't give you that hair bow lump in your hair. And I thought these were cute. These were really cute. And they glow in the dark. How crazy is that? But that's not why I got them. I got them because I wear my hair up a lot because I work in a lab and you have to have your hair up. And so I wanted to try this and see if it give me hair bow lump. So I'll keep you updated on these. I'm really excited to try these because I think at Sephora you don't get 5 of them, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I shouldn't even say because I don't know. But it seems like they were $6 and these were $1. So I'm going to try that. Alright, guys. I think that's everything. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I am a new channel and I'm trying to grow. I really enjoy watching YouTube and I want to be a part of that YouTube community. So if you could, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave in the comments stuff you guys want to see. Do you like the idea of a series of Dollar Tree videos every week and what we're having here in Tennessee? Do you like me filming these videos in the car waiting on Thomas at school? Leave me comments. I read every comment and I always try to reply back. So let me know. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.